Hello guys, welcome to my page. This is Union Pacific Railfan, I mean. And just finally what I sold up here. My brand new camera. It's the same thing I had. I can upload trains now. I don't have to worry about the yanking it out of my USB pen. It's so awesome, and I can't wait to film trains there on my new camera. It's so awesome. Let me see. Yeah, there. You see how it's nice it is. That's a brand new one. Here's some night vision camera. You can see it in the dark or something like that. Oh, here's the videos. Here's me in there. It's so freaking cool. Here's are all videos I did. Wait a minute, hold on. This is all videos I filmed in Welch, Oklahoma. Yep, that's what I did. My brand new camera. It's the same. It's the same thing I had. It's over here somewhere. Yeah, my old camera, and this is what I used to have, but it doesn't work anymore. See there. Yeah, well, luckily I got a new one. I better be careful and not yank out the USB pan. I'm gonna show you that the USB pan ripped. See here, ripped. It sucks, but anyways, and then I got my brand new train camera, the Railfan camera. It's pretty nice. I can't wait to film trains here, and I'm excited about it. I'm only put the SD card. Same. This is the same SD card I had, and I'm gonna show you the cool stuff that I got. Can I see it? Here's my stuff. Got a microphone, the same thing I had. Here's the microphone, and here's the thing for your camera. Here's for your microphone and stuff. Yep, that's about it. Here's the thing, I don't know what that is. Some batteries. I got other stuff that I'm going to show you. Sorry, I burped. Here's the tripod where you hold it in your camera. See here. See here how nice it looks. Yeah. And this is the handle where you hold the camera in. So that's freaking awesome. With my Uncle Brian again, they give that to me. I don't know how much to thank him. Alright guys, and here's my tripod over there. Make sure to subscribe on my channels. I love you. I love you guys so much. Have a good day. I will see you on the train videos tonight or